Alright guys, I'm going to show you really quickly the new E-LinQ system from BRP. This is an awesome setup. Some of us, if you're running an electric visor as well as your key, you're struggling with two cords. So now everything is packed into one simple setup. It's awesome. So if you look here, you've got a cover over top of the actual E-LinQ connection. It's a magnetic cover, which is great. So it's kind of like a rubber piece. So when you're not using it, it covers it up, keeps everything clean. Really simple to attach. Put it on like your normal key and boom, you're done. It's already connected, magnetized, and you're ready to go. The great thing with this, again, it's all integrated into one cord. You've got a single RCA output, which you can use for any helmet. It's not just for the BRP oxygen helmet, but you can basically use it with anything. The other thing I really like about this for this year is when you have the key hanging on your jacket, clipped on your jacket, I used to walk around and the cord would actually be hanging. So now they've got this really neat little sort of system where you just click it and then it's all sort of wrapped up and kind of neatly packaged away. So really, really great setup. Super excited about this. Anybody who's got like any of the newer Ski-Doo Gen 4 stuff, you're definitely gonna want to add it. So super simple to use. Connect it up, I've got my oxygen here. Just plug it in and you've got power, and that's it.
If you liked that video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Sledaddicz YouTube channel, where we release content on everything snowmobiles. Also, hit that bell icon so you can be updated every time we release new videos.